Screw the table clamps to the proper gap first. Note the mounting direction in the illustration. Next, use clockwise rotation to tighten. Installation of strut number 1. Installation of strut number 2. The one with the logo is the number 2 stanchion. Installation of steering rod. Tip: you need to loosen this a bit in advance. At the time of installation, loosen again. Once stuck, tighten the bolt. All cantilever racks of the BA series. All support the industry standard 5 and 8 connector, and then unscrews to a 3/8 connector, also an industry standard. After installing the microphone, the steering rod supports rotation. It can be adjusted according to your needs. Height of support rods can also be adjusted on request. A range of 25 degrees down and 75 degrees up. At the bottom of support rods 1 and 2, there is a wire channel for hiding the cables. I'm here to show. I'm going to show this part separately. You can do it after installing the first and second support bar. You can just mount them directly. After installing the effect show, you can see that you can push and pull at will. There are 3 places in the cantilever bracket. The cantilever bracket can be secured. In case we don't move it for a long time, you can tighten all the screws. There are 3 places, just tighten them all.